I was once a 97 kg guy. Okay. Let me just finish this fad today here on your podcast. It's not a diet. It is a lifestyle.
Lifestyle. You can have your cheat days without any guilt.
एक वड़ा पाव से 1 किलो अगर गेन हो जाए, मैं नाम ही बदल दूंगा अपना.
97 kgs. How did you lose that weight and how much time?
I think I'm a hustler. मुझे एक ऐसा आदमी चाहिए जो बोले कि भाई मेरे पास खुद को देने के लिए आधा घंटा नहीं.
Half an hour भी नहीं है.
कोई मिला दो.
Someone has started their workout on Monday and then quits on Wednesday.
I tell this to everyone. Never wait for the Monday. The Monday will never come.
Glutathione.
I've heard it's so much in trend. Are there oral supplements to this also?
Oral supplements works wonders.
Yeah?
Yes.
हर आदमी को नहाना चाहिए दिन में.
कौन नहीं नहाता है डेली?
अरे मैं बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ. Let's not name them. But yeah.
Hi Glow fams, welcome to the another fresh episode of Skin Coffee with Ghazal, where we don't just talk about appearance, we understand the life behind it. Today's episode is not just about fitness or skincare, it's about what actually works in real life. Because we all deal with stress, inconsistency and lack of time, yet we still want to look good, feel confident and stay healthy. Today's guest is someone who has explored multiple dimensions of creativity, an actor, a producer, and someone deeply connected with music. Someone who doesn't just perform on screen, but builds and expresses stories in different forms. So today, with Charlene Malhotra, we are decoding simple habits, real discipline, and practical routines you can actually follow. Hi Charlene,
Hi,
welcome
Ghazal.
to the podcast.
Thank you so much, Ghazal. Firstly, whoever wrote this introduction, kudos to you, man. I feel so good about listening to myself.
I
Very
myself.
good. Thank you so much. I think you finally made me happy and made my day just by making me hear about me.
You loved it.
Loved it. Suddenly sounded like an award. Like I'm about to win an award.
Charlene, our today's segment, it's about fitness
Yeah.
and discipline. But before we dive into that, whatever we see today about you, who was Charlene as a person earlier?
See, that's what I've always probably said, that when you are an actor, when you act, and when you're deeply connected to the form or the craft called acting, there are times when you play a character, by the end of it, you probably gain onto something which is not yours. Probably the character gave you. And probably by the end of it, you give so much to the character. So by the end of every character that you play, towards the end of it and after it, you're definitely not the same that you were before. So a lot of people have come up to me and said this, that you've changed as a person.
Yeah.
But I think I don't even know what I've changed in. I mean, it's me who was, it's me who I am. But yeah, probably age happened, probably experience happened, probably something happened. I have no ideas. But I think with passing time, what has really changed is I was a completely, say, an extrovert guy. Now I'm selectively extrovert.
Achha.
But I'm not an introvert. I can't
So
turn
what
it
is selectively extrovert?
Only to few people I'm an extrovert. Otherwise, I just chose not to interact with people. But I think that happens with whatever reasons it has happened. But it has definitely happened. Yeah, I mean, that's the kind of change personality-wise that has happened over the years. Something that I'm unaware of. I didn't intentionally want to change it. And I don't even know if it has changed. It's the viewpoint or it's the perspective of people who've come up to me and said it.
Did you always know that you wanted to be in this creative space?
Oh, again, that's something that I really, I think this also, I really advocate that fact that when people are born in this country, specifically talking about men, boys, not being gender biased, but being a boy, I can vouch for that. Of the 1,000 boys who were born, at my time, 500 would have wanted to be an actor, 500 a cricketer. Let's take a sample audience, okay? So I wanted to be both. So I played cricket. Played cricket to a very good level. Unfortunately, didn't crack it. Media happened to me by fluke, I guess. I mean, I never really thought that I'll get into this. But in my entire school life, I've always been the guy who's been an orator. I've been one of the best orators in the country in North Zone. I've
Amazing.
hosted debates.
That was not on Google.
No, that wasn't. See, there are so many things that are not on Google. But yeah, so I've won that. I've been a part of a lot of debates, declamations, hosted a lot of quiz competitions, hosted a lot of events. So I think that is when the natural inclination towards speaking would have happened. And also that you don't realize, because when you were growing up, I used to write just for my own sake,
Okay.
poems or probably any quotes or anything that, just comes into it.
Interesting.
Yeah, and I had this very stupid habit, but I tell people very proudly. When I used to walk on the streets, there always used to be a background score in my head. Always.
Oh,
I was filmy to that level that Khalnayak's theme has always been in the head when I used to walk on the streets.
oh, really?
I don't know why it happened, but it was always there. And I never really thought to be an actor. To be very honest, I never in my wildest dream I thought that I'll become an actor.
So, what was the turning point when things started changing for you? Like from being an actor to producer, and now, with music, you're exploring music with Tiger Paw Studio. So,
That's an interesting journey. So when I entered into the field of acting, I think that was 2009-10 when I started giving auditions. A lot of failures. Then Arjun happened, and over the course of the last 15 odd years, I've done on numerous shows. My friend told me the other day how manifestation works. I have no clues how manifestation works. I'll tell you, I'm not preaching about it, but I'll tell you what had happened is, probably at the age of 24, I told my friend, यार 10 साल बाद एक प्रोडक्शन हाउस तो खोलना है, और बोल के छोड़ दिया. मतलब I don't even remember. I didn't even work towards it. To be very honest, I didn't work towards it. You would not believe, 34, I opened my production house, and that's called Luck Films. And I've done a lot of ads. I've done a lot of music videos. I've done a web series which is about to come out. Producing through it. Direction for me, this is what I've always said. I never want to be a director. Never. And that is why I say it said never say never. But I think that's what it has happened, that I got this opportunity that said that the series that you've written, so I wrote that series.
okay.
From the scratch to the dialogues, I wrote everything about it. The conceptualization to the dialogues, everything. And then I was told that if you can direct, I was like, okay, I mean, possibly, I don't know. That is when I discovered that production, though was my inclination and still is, direction came much more naturally to me. Probably again because of the fact that I used to read when I was a child. Level of imagination that you have, and probably also because of the work experience that you've been on the set for 15 odd years.
Yes.
And then you research and whatever. I think that happened. Tiger Paw Studio is a funny story. So me and Suyash, we are more brothers than friends. My mom used to say कि मेरे 3 बेटे हैं, तो 2, एक मेरा बड़ा भाई, एक सुयश. So that's the way that we've always been. And so he once had a word with me कि यार मैं ना खोलना चाहता हूँ Tiger Paw Studios, and I'm working towards it. I like, ठीक है भाई, जब जरूरत पड़े, I'm just a call away and whatever. I didn't know the call will come too soon. So he called me once and he's like, यार भाई फंसा पड़ा हूँ, क्या बोलता है, करना है? मैंने कहा ठीक है यार, कर लेते. That's how Tiger Paw happened.
Okay.
And
Interesting.
yeah, so that's how it joined, and then we became partners in that also. It's a beautiful space to be in, to be very honest. Again, there are 2 perspectives to it. Suyash understands music. He understands music as music. I understand music as a listener. I understand music as probably everyone in the studio is right now. सुनने में अच्छा लगता है या बुरा लगता है, 2 ही चीजें होती हैं. हमको ये नहीं पता होता कि कौन सा कॉर्ड बजा है, क्या लगा है, कुछ नहीं समझ आता. हमें सिर्फ पता है अच्छा है या बुरा है.
अच्छा है बुरा है.
So the good perspective is in the studio when the musicians and the singers are working towards it. When they make Suyash here, Suyash will obviously audio-wise guide them in a way that I can't. But when the final product comes, when it comes to my ear, I know whether it's sounding good or not.
Okay.
So we get a user perspective also. We also get a maker's perspective.
अच्छा.
So it's good. At least we know the songs that going out has the right sound to it.
Okay.
So that way it works beautifully. I think Gunjan had given me this thing. Gunjan is the one who handles everything possibly that I do
For
in
you.
life. We'll talk about her in details later. But yeah, so she had given me this, that anything that you see in Tiger Paw is Shali. Anything that you hear in Tiger Paw is Suyash.
Okay.
And I think that line goes perfectly. Every music video that I've directed in Tiger Paws,
Yes.
or any ideation that comes through, conceptualizations is all here. Anything music-wise that comes through is all his.
Okay.
So that's how the beautiful mix-up is here.
Interesting. Like, what drives you to explore so many creative spaces? Like, are you actor or a creator?
I think, in one word, if someone asks me what I am, I think I'm a hustler.
Okay.
I hustle every day in my life.
Huh.
I want to learn anything and everything associated with the fact of the field that I'm in. So, अगर आप देखें तो I haven't really gone off from the field that I'm in by, exploring different avenues. It's all related to the same industry: music, acting, direction, writing, producing. Everything is in the same industry. I love being here. I think I wouldn't have done anything in life if I wouldn't have been in this industry or been an actor.
Wow.
So the only thing that is there is the passion of anything. I either will not do it, or if I will do it, I will do it so passionately
Full passion.
that because there is no
I
scope.
got to know when we had a minute chat.
Yeah.
I got to know like how passionate you're about your work.
I love my work.
Yeah.
I absolutely
And you can
am in
never
love.
get tired.
No, I don't get tired.
Yeah.
Because I'm absolutely in love with my work. People talk about work-life balance and having a family and
Yeah.
managing it. I'm the worst at it. And I proudly say it.
Yeah.
If I don't have work and I'm sitting at home, my personal life will be equally screwed. Pardon my language, but yeah.
Yeah.
But if I'm working,
Yeah.
I don't know how in those 24 hours I will make everyone around me happy and feel that they have wanted and give them time and still work. मेरे वो 24 घंटे 48 बन जाते हैं, पर अगर मेरे पास काम नहीं है वो 24 घंटे कब खत्म हो जाते हैं पता भी नहीं चलता.
Okay.
So that's how I maintain my work-life balance.
Interesting. So, Shaleen, what self-care means to you? Like it is beyond gym and skincare?
Obviously, I think your state of mind is your self-care. Of how you feel about you, of how you feel every morning about you. I think that's the most important thing that guides you. Your body will only react when you're feeling in a particular way to react.
Right.
What if I'm lethargic, I don't want to go to the gym? Gym goes. What if I'm not in the state of mind and I'm not very happy about it? What will happen to the skin? Breakouts, skin sags, whatever I've read and heard. You look tired. Why do you look tired when you wake up? It's because there is a state of mind which is not positive.
Yeah, even mental health, your
Of course.
sleep.
Of course, all of that, because that's the state of mind. So
Yes.
till the time, your self-care is how you feel about yourself.
Right.
That for me is the most important.
So, Shaleen, when no one is watching you, what your real routine looks like? And what is that one habit you're still struggling to fix?
Oh. If no one's watching or everyone's watching, I think I'm the same, yeah. There's hardly anything which has changed. If no one's watching, I don't think there's anything different. But one habit I really need to get rid of is being very particular about my sleep. I think I'm not. I'm very bad at it. I try to, but it just doesn't fit in because again, so many things that I keep thinking and doing, the sleep pattern somehow gets hampered somewhere or the other. That's one thing I intentionally try to put my brakes on and try to sleep, but that's one habit that really needs to get sorted.
Okay. Let's move to our segment today.
Yes.
As I said that our segment is all about discipline, fitness and skin under stress. So be honest, how many days you actually feel like not working out? And what do you do on those days?
See, I'll tell you, for me, there are phases. When I am a hardcore gym rat or a hardcore fitness enthusiast, there are phases. In those phases, there is no day that I don't work out. Or there is no day I don't feel like working out. Because working out actually is not a part of my routine that I put in. It is my routine.
Okay.
It is a part of me. It's not that if people have tea and coffee. If they don't have it, they feel a little
Yes.
off about it.
Off
If I
about
don't go to the gym, it happens to me. But then there are phases in which I don't want to gym. And in those days, making me go to the gym for myself is the most difficult thing in the world. It's like Donald Trump calling himself.
So have you gone
peace.
completely off track? And if yes, then how did you come back?
A lot of times I've gone off
Okay.
track. I think it's human to go off track.
Yes.
But how I do it is very simple. Your best critique and your best admirer is the mirror. You look at yourself in the mirror, and if you see that you really need to work out, you really need to go to the gym, you will. If you don't, you don't.
So Shaleen, if someone who keeps on quitting, and as you said, consistency matters.
Correct.
So what is that one advice you will give to them, so that they keep themselves motivated?
I think it's the easiest to get demotivated because anything wrong that happens, you get demotivated. For motivating yourself, it takes a lot of things. You can find any reason. For people who think that gymming is only about building those abs and muscles, no, exercising is not about it. If you have a family, you have a child, look at the child. That's your biggest motivation to live for him or her. When the child grows up, there are people who I know who want to play cricket with their sons or daughters when they grow up. That's their motivation to at least stay mobile till then.
Yes.
So they work out because of that. If you want any certain motivation or you want motivation to look good, you want clothes to look good on you, you want a certain set of people to think the way that you look, your outer appearance, n number of motivation factors, you just have to pick one.
Okay.
Or it can just be a simple thing that I want to follow a discipline, I want to follow a routine which starts at 7 or 8 or which ends at 7 or 8 by the gym or starts with the gym.
Okay.
Or starts with any workout. I don't even promote only gymming. You want a lot of people get bored while
And I
picking
think
up.
females ko gym is very important. Like muscle build up
course it
is
is.
very important.
In India,
a
as
lot
it
of
is,
cancer cases, breast cancer and all, they are rising because of that only.
in India, as it is, we have a very, we don't have a very good atmosphere, not atmospheric condition, the environmental condition and the temperature and the weather that suits your muscle building. So you, as it is, have to work twice as much as people do in the Western hemisphere. So yes, you need
Strength training.
strength training. You really need
You
to.
really need to.
Because as it is, as the age passes, your lean muscle mass decreases, irrespective of how much you worked out. So that means with age, you need to be at that level that even when it's reducing, you're still on the fitness quotient. So that's your aim. That's exactly what you should do.
So what goes in your mind when you look yourself into the mirror on bad days?
On bad days, and I'm looking bad, or bad days when I
Bad
don't want to
days
go.
when your mental health is not good, your day is not good.
Oh, I've been taught some manifestations that I have to keep looking at myself in the mirror and talk about it. So when I'm not in a mood, when I think I'm not looking good, when I think I'm not feeling good, I talk. That's the only time when I manifest looking at myself in the mirror. I don't know if it helps, it doesn't, but I do it with a full conviction. And I always had this habit, which I tell a lot of actors who ask me, before going onto the set, every single take in the vanity or in the makeup room, I'll look at myself in the mirror and say, "Acha koi hai hi nahi bhai." That's a simple reason.
That is interesting.
I'll tell you the reason for it. I will say it at least 10 times to myself, looking into my eyes in the mirror and do it.
And then what you say, it keeps inside you every
When I walk
time.
onto the set, the energy is different. Secondly, now I'm not worried about how I'm looking. I'm only worried about what I'm doing.
Okay.
So I don't have to look ki makeup sahi hai, baal hile ya nahi. I don't care about it.
Yeah.
On set, when I've entered, it means I'm there to perform.
Okay. So earlier you had a pressure that I want to look this way, even if your mental health is not okay.
I think it still is. For actors, it's a very difficult thing.
Okay.
It still is. Especially for television.
So how do you cope up with that?
You have to. I think it's a switch on and an off button that actors live with. Sad but true. There have been times when there has been a meltdown in the makeup room, but you have to come out and laugh. And that's the tough job of an artist. But for a TV artist especially, films you still get time. It's a project for 30 odd days. You shoot, you go. TV is in and out. You have to do it every day, every week.
Yes.
So you don't have time. You have to do it. Somehow you get used to that fact. And like I said, you switch off Charlene, you switch on the character. And that's difficult, but I think that's what happens.
Okay. So if you binge eat
Yeah.
someday, so what's your next day look like? So do you really punish yourself or you reset?
I don't punish myself.
Okay.
I think that's a very stupid thing that a lot of people do. Is that if I eaten something really bad, next day they
Next
have
day
to wake up
fasting, not eating anything.
not eating anything.
Yeah.
They wake up guilty.
Guilty. Yeah.
Firstly, if you've done it, that's it. There is a way around it. Work around it. Next day, if you're feeling guilty, that means you've already killed the pleasure of having what you had. Right? You've killed the fun of you being binge eating.
Yeah.
You ate because you wanted to eat.
Yeah.
That's done.
No,
Now-
sometimes it happens, when you are stressed, then you binge eat. Of course, when something is going on in your
Yeah.
mind, like with me, I when I'm stressed, I eat a lot of chocolates. So
But that's a scientific reason for it.
Yeah,
Why
there's
people
a
eat chocolates
scientific-
when they're stressed
yeah, yeah.
is because chocolate helps you release a hormone which calms you down.
Yes, yes.
There's a scientific reason for it. But also, what chocolate you eat can be judged.
Dark
Can be-
chocolate, yeah,
exactly.
yeah,
You eat
yeah.
dark chocolate. It'll be not as harmful as the other chocolate.
Yes, yes.
So that's what it is. Easier, smaller, knacks and hacks here and there, and you're sorted. One is that. Secondly, if you wake up, done. It's dusted. The day's gone back. Just don't kill yourself by fasting. It's not going to help. लोग सोचते हैं कि अगर आज मैंने फास्ट कर लिया क्योंकि कल मैंने 3000 कैलोरी खा ली और मेरा 1500 कैलोरी का दिन है और मैंने 3000 खा ली तो आज नहीं करूंगा तो बैलेंस हो जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं होता भाई. मतलब टंकी में अगर आपने एक दिन पानी भरा
हाँ.
और आपने वो पूरा पानी यूज कर लिया तो क्या अगले दिन आप वापस नहीं भरोगे क्या? नहाओगे कैसे, खाओगे कैसे, पियोगे कैसे? सिमिलर इज अ बॉडी. इफ यू डोंट फीड इट, हाउ विल यू फंक्शन? इट्स द सेम थिंग. सिंपल लॉजिक है उसको समझने का कि आपको वापस वो टंकी भरनी पड़ेगी. 1500 तक भर लो, उतना तो भरना ही पड़ेगा.
Of course.
Without, it's not going to help. Macros, calorie deficits are some things that's the easiest to maintain. I think macros still aren't because
Micros
you have to
is-
calculate.
Yeah.
Calorie deficit is the easiest to maintain.
Yes.
You know where your calorie deficit
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
Everyone knows, at least who have crossed the threshold or the age where they understand things of not to eat sweets, not to eat fried.
Everyone knows. Everyone knows.
That's it.
It's just that we ignore it.
Exactly. Next day, don't from next day onwards after the binge,
Yeah.
don't do this.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. So, do you think that if I talk about a person, the inconsistency is more harmful, or overdoing anything, overdoing any exercise is more harmful?
Both are. Inconsistency, of course, is not going to yield results. Overdoing something is only and only going to give you injury. Muscle fatigues, both are equally harmful in their own ways. Overdoing it and underdoing it.
Okay. So, how can you advise someone, if someone has started their workout on Monday and then quits on Wednesday? So,
Then that means you haven't really started. But if you quit on a Wednesday,
So
Take
there's
it
a
off.
reason for that, Monday, if I started working out, and I'm trying it after so long, for example, and I did a lot of workout, and the next day I had muscle pain and all.
Of course.
So of course I would be quitting on Wednesday. So
Don't
then
begin
how
on
you
a
cope
Monday.
up with it?
don't begin on a Monday. Begin on a Wednesday. I tell this to everyone. Never wait for the Monday will never come. Never wait for the first never come. Zakir Khan had made this thing, I don't know if you people would have gone through it. He said, किसी ने मुझसे पूछा भाई जिम कब जाओगे? मैंने कहा जब पहली तारीख मंडे होगा मैं तब जिम जाऊंगा. Luckily 1st Jan was Monday and he then had to post it out. अब चला जाऊंगा भाई. But that first and Monday will never come.
Okay.
Will never come. कि भाई आज खा लेता हूँ. मंडे से जिम तो जाना ही है. फ्राइडे को बहुत खा लिया.
हाँ, like people think कि चलो आज खा लेते, कल से तो वर्कआउट चालू करना ही है. तो
पर वो कल
let's
आएगा ही
eat- हाँ, कल नहीं
वो कल
आता
कभी
है.
नहीं आएगा.
Yes.
So don't wait for a Monday and don't wait for the first. That's my only golden advice. Begin the day you feel like. Even if it's a Saturday, best. Sunday take a rest. Monday again go to the gym.
Interesting. How to control your cravings when you're sweet cravings when you are stressed?
See, I don't feel like eating sweets when I'm stressed. So there are
For someone like
I said, knacks and hacks
Yeah.
here and there, have dark chocolate. If you want to have too much sweets, then make sure that you can burn it off in the next month. And the next month you will not be stressed. Even if you are stressed, you're not going to have sweets. That's a challenge you have to give yourself. That's a promise you have to make to yourself. I think
Okay.
that's the only way.
So Charlene, rapid fire now.
Okay.
One habit for glowing skin.
Drink a lot of water.
One habit for staying fit.
Consistency. Show up.
One habit to avoid.
Lethargy, laziness.
Best time to work out.
Anytime that you hit the gym.
One thing everyone should start today.
Discipline.
Now, few fitness questions. If someone can only do 3 things for their body, what should they be?
Eat healthy. Move your body by any forms. Workout, exercise, sports, anything. And try to sleep well.
Okay. Home workout versus gym. What works best for beginners?
Gyms. I think firstly because gyms gives you,
For beginners?
for beginners also. Specifically for beginners. Why? Because it gives you an environment to work out. Home workouts can turn lazy. Home workouts have a lot of distractions. When you're in a gym, you're only there to work out. So you will work out.
One biggest mistake people make while trying to lose weight.
Wanting to see the result in a day when they took an year to come to where they were.
Yeah, even I met someone who was telling me कि मुझे 1 month में 20 kgs reduce करना है. I think how is that possible? You didn't take 1 month to put on that 20
Correct.
kgs. So how can you
Exactly.
expect 1 month में you can reduce 20
Exactly.
kgs?
You took a lot of time to come to a place where you really want to lose weight. Then give that particular amount of time, rather more, to come back to the level or the shape that you were in. That can't happen in a day.
Yes. So I think a lot of patience is required.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
True.
Was I right, Gunjan? Okay.
If someone can't go to gym, can they still get fit?
Of course. Like I said, home workouts, sports. Gym is not a place to go and get fit only. There are sports, there is running, there is walking, there is calisthenics, there is freehand exercises, there is diet control. There are so many things that you can do.
Okay. Walking daily versus intense workout occasionally, which is better?
Occasionally, intense workouts or walking daily.
Walking daily.
Anything that you can do daily is always going to be better than doing something once in a fortnight.
Okay. So if someone doesn't like walking only,
Then he should not walk only. Then he should go to the gym. But he should go every day. Don't do intense workouts. Do normal workouts.
all right. Shalini, let's move to our next segment, that is weight loss reality.
Okay.
Why do people not see results even after working out?
See, firstly, seeing a result again is a perspective of where you're seeing it from. You can see that result from what you were in college. Some see the result 5 months prior to what they were. When you are comparing the results, also compare your age that is come this far. Because I meet a lot of people who say, यार मैं कॉलेज में एकदम ऐसा था, अब देख भाई. मैंने कहा तो भाई कॉलेज तू 18 साल का था, आज तू 40 का है. 22 साल निकल गए उस दौरान. 22 साल में your body changes, 22 years, your hormone changes, your muscle building quality, your growth hormone reduces, a lot of things happen.
Yes.
So the perspective is that everything does change. Firstly, it's a science. Body and muscle building is a science. Muscles come to you only after a certain time, they slowly build. Fat reduces, water level first goes, fat goes later. There's a lot. Then you will hit a plateau also.
हाँ, because water retention
Correct.
इसलिए होता है. Yes.
Then आपका सबसे पहले water weight कम होता है, फिर आपका fat weight
then
कम
fat
होता है.
weight कम होता है.
तो आपको वो चेंज, आपके इंचेस कम हो जाएंगे, पर आपका वेट कम नहीं. लोगों को लगता है वेट कम नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ, कि वेट कम क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
मैं तो सीधा बोलता भाई तू दिखने में पतला लग रहा है. इफ यू गेट ऑन टू दैट वेइंग स्केल साथ लेके घूमता है क्या? लोगों को दिखाने के लिए भाई मैं कल 75 था, आज भी 75 हूँ. मैंने कहा दिखने में पता चल रहा है तूने 4-5 इंच लूज कर लिए हैं.
Sometimes the muscles also plays a very important role.
Of course it does.
So when you gain muscles, so definitely आपका weight.
Correct. See,
What is on the higher
what
side?
happened is when muscle weight is calculated, it's very less to what it's compared to the fat because it's lighter
Okay.
in the terms of ratio. Your muscle mass is never going to be so high कि आपका weight बहुत बढ़ गया है.
Okay.
Like all these
That
guys
I didn't know.
who
It was
play like a
interesting.
75 जो bodybuilding competition खेलते हैं, they're 75 kgs. Their muscles are huge. They play it
Yes.
under 60.
Yeah.
But if they have that
Never
much amount
thought
of
from
fat,
that angle.
imagine the level of fitness that they are in, they're still 60 kgs. So muscles, it's not कि आपकी muscle बहुत ज़्यादा तो आपका weight बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. ज़रूरी नहीं है. Bone weight होता है. आपका fat percentage है. आपका water percentage body में कितना है. A lot of things contribute to a weight as such as well.
Yeah. Shalini, I came, I was surfing internet, so I came through, some interesting research data
Okay?
where दो जने हैं, they are following the same diet. They are trying everything similar, same food habits, same workout routine. One is able to achieve the target weight, the other person is not able to achieve the target weight. And that's interesting. So what do you think? Like, what is the major role here?
इसमें भी 2-3 चीजें हैं यार. Again, firstly the state of mind
Yeah.
helps and really plays a very important role.
Yeah.
Secondly, हर एक का body type अलग है. There's mesomorph, there's endomorph, there's ectomorph. 3 different body structures, 3 different body kinds. Some build muscles, some have a difficulty losing weight, some have difficulty gaining weight. कई लोग हम देखते हैं ना कुछ भी खा लेते हैं, हम बोलते हैं इसको तो लगता ही नहीं है
लगता
खाना.
ही नहीं weight, yeah.
हमारी भाषा में बोलते हैं लगता नहीं है. Because their body's process rate is like that.
Yeah.
There are different build.
Metabolism is good.
Metabolism से ज़्यादा उनका body का structure, उनका body का type वही है.
Type way, yeah.
So it depends on person to person.
Yeah.
उससे कोई वो नहीं.
So when I went through that research data, इट रियली सरप्राइज मी कि हमारा जब स्ट्रेस लेवल पीक पे होता है,
करेक्ट,
so your stress is like your cortisol hormone.
Correct.
So when your body puts you into survival mode, हमारा nervous system survival mode में चला जाता है, या फिर fight करेगा या फिर flight mode पे चला जाएगा, fight in या फिर flight mode. So I got to know that it triggers your HPA axis, that is your brain hormone system,
okay,
which plays a really important role. And when that increases, the weight loss can never happen.
correct. Like I said,
Yeah.
state of mind is that.
Yes.
If you are not in a state of mind, you will never. It has happened with me also. When I'm stressed, I suddenly bloat up the next day.
Yeah.
It's not I haven't done anything. I didn't eat anything. And वैसे भी एक रात को खा के आप अगले दिन मोटे नहीं होते.
Yeah.
ये जो गलत फहमी हम पाल के घूमते हैं कि आज मैंने बटर चिकन खा लिया, कल सुबह उठूंगा मैं मोटा हो जाऊंगा.
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं होता.
ऐसा नहीं होता.
Yeah.
वो जो आप bloat होते हो, that has lot of reasons. Again, water retention is one. Stress is another.
Yes.
Some people bloat in stress.
Yes.
Some people don't. So your body will always stop you if your state of mind is not right.
So even cortisol levels जब high होते हैं तो हमारा fat जो होता है वो store हो जाता है, you know,
Correct.
tummy area पे basically. So that is, I think, which I found like quite interesting to
That's
know.
a lot of things which answers a lot of
Yeah.
people who are fighting this every day. कि भाई मैं
Yes.
पतला क्यों नहीं हो रहा हूँ, भाई मेरा fat loss क्यों नहीं हो रहा. Stress.
Yes. So what do you think? What is the biggest mistake like people make in weight loss journey?
Giving up too early. I've seen a lot of people do that. Hardcore
But
घुसेंगे
उसका
एक
भी
महीना.
reason है ना Charlene, because वही like I told you that soreness. Up now the body is not coping up. You have certain health issues. Now what can a person do?
देखो यार, वो आपको खुद को ही समझाना पड़ेगा. उसका बहुत आसान सी चीज ये है, आप बचपन में जब चलना सीखे थे, आप बहुत बार गिरे होगे. आई एम श्योर ऐसा कोई भी बच्चा नहीं है जो सीधा स्ट्रेट ही चलता रहा और आज तक नहीं गिरा हो. गिरा होगा, उठा होगा, चोट लगी. उसने चलना छोड़ दिया क्या?
नहीं, definitely not.
चलता ही रहा. इट टीचेज यू द सेम थिंग. आपको चोट लगेगी, आपको दर्द होगा. अगर आप चलते रहोगे तो दर्द खत्म हो जाएगा. फिर आपको दर्द नहीं होगा. वो इनिशियल पेन तो आपको होगा ही होगा ना. जिस बॉडी के पुर्जों को आपने इतने टाइम से हिलाया नहीं है, आप हिलाओगे तो दर्द तो होगा. गाड़ी में इतने टाइम गाड़ी बंद है, डीजल गाड़ी, इग्निशन दोगे तो धुआं काला तो निकलेगा ही पीछे, irrespective of good of car that is.
Yes.
Similarly, you have to give that self or yourself and the gym or the workouts that much time कि वक्त लगेगा पर ठीक हो जाएगा. सर्वाइवल आपको अपने आप को समझाना बहुत जरूरी है.
So if someone is weighing, for example, 100 kgs, so what is a realistic time for them to reduce weight? So people go to take, you know, fat diets and all. They go to dietitian. They want that 2 kg में मुझे ये मेरा weight shut down करना है. So that is not realistic. So what according to is realistic numbers?
Set small targets for yourself.
Okay.
Look at the larger picture that you want to get down to 75. But firstly, have you ever been 75?
Yes.
If you have been, then you can get to 75. But now set realistic targets कि मेरे को पहले 5 किलो कम करना है. Aim for those. Small targets. Slowly you will find it very interesting कि यार आज 2 किलो कम हो गया, 3 ही तो बचा है. सीधा ही मैं बोल दूं 20 किलो है.
Motivation, like self motivation.
सीधा ही मैं बोल दूं नहीं, because it's आज मैंने
कभी कभी
कंपनी
ऐसा भी हो जाता है, you know, किसी ने बोल दिया चलो 3 किलो कम हो गया, आज तो बड़ा पाव खा लेते हैं. वो again
I always say this. No, but I always say this. Treat yourself. 3 किलो कम करा है, बिल्कुल खा बड़ा पाव भाई. You've
तो
earned
वापस
it.
फिर वहीं पे पहुंच जाएगा.
कुछ नहीं होगा. You've earned it. When you give your body that much amount of happiness and that much amount of satisfaction
That's
that you've
something
received,
interesting.
trust me, no good trainer will never tell you not to do a cheat day. They will always tell you to do a cheat day.
Okay.
Reason is, firstly, it
They
keeps
were
you
like, आप
motivated.
cheat day करो, but you know your cheat day should be limited.
Correct.
You cannot have vada pav.
Correct. No, but you can. I say you can. I don't know how scientifically I might be right or wrong, but this is what I've tried and tested on myself.
Okay.
I was once a 97 kg guy. Okay. So I've tried and tested. क्या होता है ना, मैं अगर खुद को मार के ही करता रहूं.
Now something is interesting which is coming up. 97 kgs. Now let's come up to you.
Yeah.
How did you lose that weight and how much time?
Like I'm saying, so मैं अगर खुद को मारता रहा ना कि यार मेरे को नहीं खाना नहीं है, मैं पतला होता रहा, मेरे पास कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं है. थोड़ी टाइम बाद ना I will lose interest.
Okay.
अभी मुझे ये पता है भाई आज मैंने 5 किलो कम कर लिया है. I will go and have whatever I want to eat. That one meal. That will keep me motivated for my another next 5 kgs. It keeps you motivated. your body is not going to gain
So
fat.
you can have your cheat days without
You
any
do.
guilt.
Without any guilt. You
Okay.
just don't overdo it.
So you lose 2 kg, 3 kgs, you gain 1 kg, then again try to
एक
lose
वड़ा
2
पाव से
kg.
1 किलो अगर गेन हो जाए, मैं नाम ही बदल दूंगा अपना. एक वड़ा पाव से कभी 1 किलो गेन नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि पहली बात आप उसको ऐसा नहीं है ना कि आप खाने
A
के बाद
lot
जिम
of
नहीं जा रहे.
calories, you know.
Gym
If
तो
you
जा ही
are
रहे हो.
skipping gym, yeah.
Of course.
Then yeah.
That discipline I'm not saying don't do it. I'm not saying don't go to the gym and have your cheat
So
meal.
you know, cheating day comes only on Sundays.
Not necessary.
Yeah.
Any day that you choose. Like I was told, you can have one lunch and one dinner as your cheat. Not lunch and dinner the same day, but in 2 different weeks.
Okay.
So lunch in 1 week was my cheat. The next week I had a cheat.
Okay, so
cheat
you
meal.
cannot have entire day as a cheat day, but you can only have
One
one meal as a cheat day.
So 1 meal
That
in a
is
week
interesting.
is lunch. 1 meal as a dinner was cheat.
Hmm.
What happens now is when you're losing weight, na, you yourself don't want to cheat much.
हाँ.
That's your
अब जो
biggest
ये
motivation.
ऑडियंस सुन रहे हैं इस एपिसोड को वो सोच रहे होंगे वाओ मतलब हैप्पी कि एटलीस्ट आई कैन हैव माय
If you don't have it, you will gain more weight. You will never lose. जितने भी लोग बोलते हैं ना मैंने ये नहीं किया, मैंने वो नहीं किया और इतना कम हो गया, कभी नहीं हो सकता भाई. ऐसा ह्यूमनली पॉसिबल नहीं है that you're only on boiled food for so much. You will have. जो आदमी कहता है कि मैंने like when I was working out intensely and I had a shoot and I had to have my abs out, I was on boiled chicken, boiled food, boiled for
But you did that for you, right?
yeah, but for 4 months I did.
Okay, and without any cheat day.
2 months I didn't cheat. 2 months I did.
See, now it's coming to you.
2 months I didn't cheat.
So you, so
As soon as I finished my shoot,
Yeah.
the first thing I did is eat half a kg of cake.
okay.
Don't do this, but yeah, I did. But I gave myself that much happiness because I've achieved what I wanted in 4 months. Like I said, milestone achieved, give yourself that treat. You respect, you deserve it. But I was on a different level. When I was losing those 97 kgs, I didn't go this mad or berserk.
Okay.
From 97 to 71, of those 26 kgs, I made sure that I was playing sports. I made sure that I was doing strength training. I was watching my diet very carefully. But every now and then I used to cheat.
Interesting.
And still I managed.
Okay. That is your weight loss story.
Absolutely true to the T. People who say कि नहीं हो सकता, मैं बोलता हूँ हो सकता है. क्योंकि मैंने गलत खाया है, बहुत बार खाया है. पर हर रोज नहीं खाया. मैं हर रोज चीट डे नहीं कर सकता, हर रोज चीट
That
मील नहीं कर
can
सकता.
never happen.
मैं कह रहा हूँ अगर आपको बहुत सारा वेट लूज करना है, महीने में 2 दिन बना लो. एक दिन मैं लंच गलत करूंगा, एक दिन मैं डिनर गलत करूंगा. आप अपने आप ही इतना खुश होगे ना, अपने आप वो दिन प्लान करना शुरू हो जाओगे. On a Friday of the 12th, I will whatever
And you
date.
can even fast in the night, you know. Yeah.
Anything that works for
7 to 7 you don't eat anything. That is a
Firstly,
12 hours fasting
anything and
for your
everything
body.
about these diets, whether it's intermittent, whether people
Intermittent fasting only, yeah.
intermittent fasting, or whether you go on a keto diet or anything, they're all lifestyles. Firstly, let me just
Keto is basically
let me just finish this fad today here on your podcast. It's not a diet. It is a lifestyle.
lifestyle, yes.
If you can make it your lifestyle,
Yeah.
do it. Don't do it for 6 months and leave it, you will gain weight. Make it your lifestyle. Can you elongate it and make it like an year? If you can, उसके बीच में cheat days हो सकते हैं. But can you live like this? Do it.
Do it.
Anything like this is only a lifestyle habit. It's not a diet. कभी result नहीं आएंगे. Permanent.
Interesting. Shalini, let's move to our next segment. That is fitness plus skin connect. Does sweating help skin or damage it?
I think it helps. It releases all the toxins inside, releases a lot of
It gives your skin glow too.
yeah, because it releases, I think, all the impurities,
Yeah.
everything just comes out, the dirt. I don't know the
Yes,
science behind it,
yes.
but yes.
But अगर sweat workout के बाद रह जाता है skin पे, then it turns into breakout also.
Yeah,
So
so-
it has positive also, it has negative also.
मेरा मानना
Comes
ये है
with both.
हर आदमी को नहाना चाहिए दिन में एक बार.
Yeah. Even workout के
Workout के
बाद
बाद.
specifically.
नहा लो, जिंदगी अच्छी लगेगी. आपको भी अच्छा लगेगा.
कौन नहीं नहाता है डेली?
अरे मैं बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ. Let's not name them. But yeah, after gym specifically, if you're sweating, please take a shower. If not a shower, at least wipe your face off, man. It'll help.
Okay. What should people do for their skin after workout?
Wash, like I said. For sure, wash it.
Yes.
Use a moisturizer.
Yeah.
And use a sunscreen. Bombay, anywhere in the world, I don't know. Bombay specifically, do not even step out without a sunscreen ever.
Everywhere, not in Mumbai.
I'm talking about the
Everywhere.
place that I'm in right now.
Yeah.
Don't.
Everywhere. Can fitness alone improve skin or do we need skincare too?
We need skincare too, I'm sure. I was very bad with it for the longest time.
Yeah.
Now I'm a little better at it. I'm not going to say that I've achieved what it needs to be done. But yeah, it definitely requires a lot of effort from your side intentionally to be put in to take care of your skin.
One daily habit that damages skin, but people often ignore.
I think one is this, that they let the sweat be.
Huh.
That's the common habit. Once they come out, once they come back home from anywhere, they do not wash their faces off.
Yes.
That's,
yes.
I think-
And I think even using too much of phone,
Really? It
dirty
does?
phone. When you're not cleaning your phone. So,
Okay.
yeah.
But I think more than that, for
Even
me,
your pillowcases.
yeah, so I've heard.
Yeah.
I think luckily in my case, my guy, the
You have
guy
to
at home
change
does
it,
it.
keep changing it.
Yeah, he does that.
Every third
He
day.
changes it.
Okay, now let's move to our next segment, that is mindset and lifestyle reset. Sleep, water, stress. What impacts body and skin the most?
Stress.
But I think all three, but most
All three,
is
but most
stress.
you said
Yeah.
stress.
How can someone reset after falling off track?
Just build yourself up, man. Pick yourself up. It's okay to go off track. Just come back on track. It's very simple. Just give yourself that motivation again of what you were doing for so long and you went off track. You again can come back because you've done it earlier. So that means you know the procedure, how it takes. It's just that one step. I've always believed, Karan Wahi is a very good old friend of mine. So we guys had stopped, I had stopped working out in between and whatever. And I was finding it very difficult, very difficult phase of my life. And he said, just show up. Just show up to the gym. Just show up. These three words is my understanding and is my gain from Wahi.
Completely.
मुझे वाही ने ये ब्रह्मास्त्र दिया है जो मैं दुनिया को देना चाहता हूँ. It's called just show up. When you enter the gym, आप जिम जाके कुछ तो करके ही आओगे. 15 मिनट, आधा घंटा, 1 घंटा, 15 मिनट.
You're paying for that.
पेइंग भी नहीं, आप पहुंच गए वहां. तो इतना एफर्ट लेके वहां तक पहुंच गए, आई एम श्योर वहां जाके वापस तो नहीं आ जाओगे.
Yeah.
जस्ट शो अप.
काफी लोग पे करके भी नहीं जाते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
Yeah.
जस्ट शो अप.
Just
जस्ट
show
गो देयर. यू विल डू समथिंग. कुछ नहीं करने से कुछ तो अच्छा ही करोगे.
If someone has stopped fitness for months,
मी
how should they restart?
very easy. That is what I do. I pick one day. I think about that day. And I said, this is the day when I'll go to the gym. I'll go to the gym. Even if I'm not doing anything much, I'll still go to the gym. Probably do a 10-minute cardio, 20-minute stretching, pass my time here and there. Once you're there, no, once you see people working out,
Yes.
you're, like I said, in the gym, there is no distraction apart from people working out. People are working, people are gone there only to work out. So your environment is working out. At home, you'll get lazy. There, you can't get lazy. You're not going to sleep there, no?
Of course.
You're going to do something for sure. One day, pick yourself up, go to that gym. That's it. And you will never look back.
From the male perspective, that was a female who has just delivered a baby. For them, like how they can restart.
Look at so many women
Yeah.
who've delivered and are looking stunning even after that.
Yeah.
Their Insta is filled with them.
Yes.
From a Kareena Kapoor Khan to a Deepika to anyone you pick. Look at them. And look how they've come back.
I think people have this mindset ki when we talk about this film industry, it's easy for them, they say, because they have someone to take care of their kid. But a person who is not having someone to take care of the kid, for them, like how
मुझे
they
सिर्फ
can
जिंदगी
reset
में
their
एक
life.
चीज जाननी है. कौन सा ऐसा इंसान है इस दुनिया का, इंडिया, बॉम्बे, इंडस्ट्री, नॉन इंडस्ट्री, जिसके पास खुद को देने के लिए आधा घंटा ना हो. मुझे बस वो एक इंसान से मिलना है लाइफ में. मेरा एक ही सपना है. मुझे एक ऐसा आदमी चाहिए जो बोले कि भाई मेरे पास खुद को देने के लिए आधा घंटा नहीं.
Half an hour भी नहीं है.
कोई मिला दो. मैं कहूँगा तू 7 घंटे सोता, भाई 6.5 घंटे सो जा.
हाँ.
आधा घंटा दे देना जिम में, वर्कआउट में दे दे. अक्षय कुमार ऑल्सो सेज द सेम थिंग ना.
अक्षय कुमार, yes.
But
He
Akshay
says
sir says
कि
the same thing,
जिसने अपने लिए टाइम नहीं निकाला, it is useless for
बट
them.
अक्षय सर
The
सेज द
life
सेम
is
थिंग ना.
useless.
खुद
Yeah.
को आधा घंटा तो दे सकते हो ना
दे
भाई.
सकते हो. yes.
बस आधा घंटा ही देना है खुद को. अब ये कांट भी है रीजन कि यार मेरे बच्चे का ध्यान रखने के लिए नहीं है. पति वापस आ गया ना घर, बोला आधा घंटा संभालो, मैं आधा घंटा वॉक करके आ रही हूँ. इतना सिंपल तो कर ही सकते हो. आई एम टू श्योर.
Yes.
इट इज नॉट इम्पॉसिबल.
Yes.
सो दिस इज एन एक्सक्यूज दैट यू हाइड बिहाइंड.
Yes.
फॉर आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट विमेन हियर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट मेन ऑल्सो.
Yeah.
कि अरे भाई ऑफिस से आया हूँ, इतना थका हुआ, तो ऑफिस जाने से पहले चले जा.
हाँ.
ऑफिस से आने के बाद थक जाता है, तो ऑफिस से जाने से पहले चले जाना. आई सी सो मेनी पीपल इन द जिम
Yes.
हु वर्क आउट, चेंज इनटू द ऑफिस क्लोथ्स एंड गो टू द ऑफिस.
Yes.
Take a shower in the gym and go to the office. If your gym doesn't have the shower, wake up, make sure that you go back to the house, quick shower and you're out. You can easily do it. There is no one who can't manage half an hour. It's only your laziness or it's only your mindset that stops you from doing.
True. What is the safest way, to do it without any injury?
Take it slow. Don't rush. Take it
Okay.
slow. Like I said, Rome wasn't built in a day. It takes time. You see a lot of people picking up like a 50 kgs and you're only doing it 5. It's okay. That's it. You will reach there. Ask him how long did he take.
Slowly and slowly. Yeah. Charlene, it was really interesting, eye-opening, and honest conversation with you.
Thank you.
But before we close, we have interesting, fun segment with you.
All right.
So let's move on to that.
Okay.
So Charlene, let's play ingredient auction game. So today skincare feels like an auction. Everyone is bidding on the wrong ingredients, but they actually don't know कि उनको किस ingredient पे bid करना चाहिए. So if skincare used to be a stock market, तो लोग invest कर रहे होते hype पे rather than performance. So now it's your turn. I would be showing you ingredients and you have to bid on them. I would be helping you out in that. And we would be giving you some
Points.
coins.
Okay.
So let's see
All right.
how you play it, how you knack it.
Okay.
Okay, shall we start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. 24 karat gold. For skin.
So you have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500.
So if I think that's the best, I should put 500. If not, then 100, right?
So it means if you bid high, you believe in it. If you bid low, it means that it's not worth it.
I think 100.
Okay. Completely agree and not agree also.
Really?
Because generally 24 karat gold works best in serums but not in creams. गोल्ड अगर ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में लगाया जाता है तो उसके रिजल्ट्स अच्छे मिलते हैं rather than small quantities.
और
So it
इतना सोना
depends
तो
upon
लगाएंगे नहीं
the no. So
लगाते?
we have gold cream.
Oh my God.
So it depends like what. So it can be, it cannot be because you don't know market में जो products है वो
Correct.
actually में 24 karat gold है या नहीं.
Correct.
Willow bark.
Extracts.
So this is basically you can say substitute to salicylic acid. You know salicylic works for your acne.
Yes.
So this is a plant-based extract.
I think 500.
Even I would go 500 on this.
I'm winning without even knowing so much. Either I'm good at all this or no. I think 500. This I've heard of.
Like it's not 500 because
Oh.
dry skin होगी तो vitamin C will make your skin more dry.
Oh.
So
Oh, I should have gone lower.
Yeah, but for you, I don't know. Your skin must be combination.
Yeah. Seems
Yeah,
like.
Yeah. Salicylic.
300, middle way out.
I'll never bid on this because I prefer plant-based.
Yeah, because I
extract.
picked
Willow
plant
bark.
500, so I gave
Yeah.
this 300.
Bakuchiol. So this is basically we get it from the bapchi plant. It's an alternative to retinol.
Oh, 500. Retinol, I know. But this is the first time I've heard of it, to be
So
honest.
retinol is a chemical
Yeah,
which gives
yeah.
you instant result.
Correct.
But it's not good for your skin. It makes your skin more sensitive. This is a gentle version which has equally good results, and we have research on that. But it's a plant-based version.
That is why 500. Anything which is natural is always 500. Do you agree? You didn't tell me that.
I agree with
Oh,
that.
nice.
It's my one of favorite ingredient, and we are already using it in Leafoberry.
Ah.
Ceramides.
Right.
So this is basically your protection of skin barrier. This is like a wonder for me.
500. You gave it away.
I'm helping you in this.
Yeah, I got it.
So this basically is you can say barrier. ये हमारी एक wall है. इस हमने जो brick लगाई है उसको paint करके protect कर दिया. तो that barrier is protected. So ceramide भी वही काम करता है skin.
Oh, superb.
Galactomyces. Now this is a Korean ingredient and it works best on your pores, open pores.
400.
Snail mucin. You must have heard about this.
I have, but I don't know what it does.
So basically जब snail चलता है, crawl करता है, तो आपने देखा होगा gel छोड़ देता है.
जी.
तो वो gel से ही that gel is nothing, that is mucin.
Okay.
And it helps you in skin whitening and your aging.
500. Is it?
Yeah. But I think जो vegan है, they will never prefer.
But that is okay. That each to
Yeah.
each its own.
Retinol.
No bet.
Not even 100 today.
No.
AHA. So this is basically your chemical peels. Alpha hydroxy
I
acid.
see a lot of people do it.
Yeah.
I don't know if one should do it.
Basically, it helps you in skin peeling. That is your new skin is regenerating.
So I've heard.
Yeah.
I don't know. I personally haven't done
Now we have products also with this. Earlier, only chemical treatments were there.
it. So now there's a natural way to do it.
No, so this is the same ingredient is in the bottle now and
okay.
a less percentage, but generally जो dermat करते हैं वो at a higher percent. So you're not bidding on this.
I don't know this. So yeah.
Peptide.
500.
500. You're using peptide at me.
No, I just know what it does.
Okay.
I'm researched on it. I see a lot of people have taken
So
a lot
you
of
had
peptides
that,
and know that.
you never thought of buying it.
Oh no.
Okay.
Because like I said, I'm new to this. I'm
Yeah.
just now started taking care of myself in a way that it should be. Peptides, I know a lot of people swear by it.
Peptides are really good, but generally peptide का एक harmful effect है for females that it gives them facial hair.
Oh.
Copper peptides, which people don't know.
Oh, that even I didn't know.
Yeah, even I
That's
didn't
information to me.
know. Collagen.
500.
Okay, so
Naturally, you also get collagen in a lot of fruits.
yeah, I'll prefer collagen in creams, but I will never prefer collagen supplements
Okay.
because supplements don't work क्योंकि collagen अंदर ही naturally build होता है.
Correct.
How much
Why
you
do we
take
take collagen from outside then?
outside? There
मतलब वो
is-
supplements जो हैं, why do we take them?
supplements is just a hype, you know. कोई चीज ट्रेंड में आ गई तो it becomes trendy for a long period of time. Collagen really does not work as supplements. Internally ही आपकी body collagen build करने
But
की
I think over a period of time,
capacity
collagen reduce भी होता है ना body में.
reduce
So
होता
how
है,
do you
yes.
increase that?
But people generally start taking from 20, 30.
Supplements.
Collagen generally increase होता है because of your sleep. When you are
Correct.
taking good sleep, your collagen levels will really be high. Because जब हम sleep नहीं लेते हैं तभी collagen का breakdown होता है.
Okay. Oh, so
In
you
your
should
case,
sleep.
you are not sleeping.
That is why I've heard of this.
Natural oil
500.
for me too. Glutathione.
I've heard it's so much in trend.
Yeah.
People take injections also of glutathione, and there are natural, I don't know about the natural, but there are supplements that people have been taking, oral supplements also.
Glutathione supplements work wonderful.
Yeah?
Yeah, it works amazing. And even IV drips.
Yeah, a lot of people do that.
Yeah.
But isn't it harmful?
IV drips, if you're taking it alone, like आपने एक case सुना होगा which which got viral on Instagram. She was taking IV drip and
Yeah,
the
yeah.
case you must have
Yeah,
heard of.
yeah.
So when you're taking when you're going to a good dermat, तो then they can take care कि क्योंकि IV drip से generally क्या होता है side effect होने के chances रहते हैं और BP might increase, there can be some or the other health problem. So they monitor you, they are there to monitor you. But when you're doing it all alone, no.
But are
So I
there oral supplements to this also?
Oral supplements works wonders.
Yeah? It does?
Yes, it
Oh.
does. Only few. So you have to know like which supplement
Message me
is
the names, please.
better for you. Glycolic acid.
I don't know if it's natural.
So again, glycolic helps your skin peeling.
Correct.
Like when you have a lot of open pores and a lot of breakouts, so एक skin की layer.
Correct,
You can
correct.
see the peel effect on your skin, and
Correct.
even a lot of
This I've
dermats
seen a
do
lot of
that.
people do that.
Yeah.
But again, that's 300.
Then basically for skin lightening.
300.
yeah, peeling. Great, Charlene. It was wonderful
enlightening for me, yeah.
playing this game with you. And before we close, I have a small token of love for you.
Thank you.
This is from Leafo my baby brand, and we have something customized for you if you love reading.
Thank you. Thank you so much. This is really sweet of you guys. Yeah.
It's a bookmark.
With me on it?
Yeah, with you on it.
Nice. Whoever's done this has also done a splendid job. But nice. Thank you so much. This is really, really sweet on your part. Thank you so much for calling me and having me here.
Welcome, Charlene.
Thank you.
Charlene, we have, as a good luck, we have a good luck for you.
That I was just discussing of how to place it.
Yeah.
But
so you
thank
can use compass and you can place it in a right direction in your house. But it is generally placed at the entrance. So yeah.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much for this. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Shaleen, for
Thank
being
you so
so
much.
honest and had a lovely conversation.
I
with
had a really, really good time, to be very honest.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Glow fam, if there's one thing to take away from today, is this: you don't need extreme routines, you need consistent, small habits. Because real transformation is not about pressure, it's about showing up daily. Even in skincare, it's not about 10 products. It's about choosing the right few and being consistent. And to everyone watching, if this conversation resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Glow with Ghazal. Until next time, stay real, stay aware, and keep glowing.